Hello guys, welcome back. This is a 2013, a very clean Hyundai Elantra. How much mileage in this guy? This one has 114,000 miles on it, and it's really clean. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and safeguard this guy. Oops, got it locked out. All right, now we're gonna deal at the bottom. It's right there. Okay. Okay, so we can gently pry this. Try not to scratch it. Okay. Come on, bud. There we go. Awesome. Remove the key. Then we can pull this out. There you go. Bottom portion is out. And now what we're gonna do is put this key back and go to accessory right there. Then there's like a little hole down here that we're gonna press in so we can able to pull this out. All right, so I do have this. There you go. Then we can pull this out, the entire assembly. Am I doing it right? It's gotta be super. There we go. And then disconnect everything here. All right. All right, undo this portion. All right, so we're not going to need this anymore. Let's go cut it. Okay. All right. We're just gonna go secure this. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this one a little shorter. There we go. Okay, it's hard. And you got gloves on it. There we go. There. Here is the part.
Duh. Everybody
Here's a part number right here. And this guy, it's gonna go this way. Right? His main job is to protect this guy so they can't remove it. Cool. Okay, so we're gonna mix a JB weld here. Mix it up. Okay. Then we're gonna apply here. Oh, sweet. I'll look in.
We got on deck.
What's up, man?
Oh, not a whole lot. Just doing a recall right now.
Yeah.
You got anything on deck other than this recall right now?
After this, I don't have any.
Rear view camera harness replacement.
Okay, cool. No
Inspection.
promise time?
What's that?
No promise time, just the end of the day?
I told her 2 hours.
2 hours. Okay, cool.
She's technically waiting, but I told her 2 hours.
Okay. Doable. Thank you. All right. This is gonna be a messy one, but let's try not to be super messy. So select this back to accessory so we can press this in, and then we're gonna put it back right there. Okay. Oops. Why is that? There we go. Now it's in there.
No way. There's no fucking way.
All right. Bring everything here. Okay. So hurry up before this thing get dry. All right. So this guy, again, it's just gonna protect this little button right there. It's gonna go this way. There we go. Nice and flush. Cool. Then this, it's gonna go that way. Okay, we're gonna add JB weld here. All right, I'm gonna put this here before it create a mess. And it's gonna go this way. There we go. Then put this tool in. All right, we're gonna go ahead and tighten this until it'll break. Oh my goodness, am I? Okay. All right, I'm gonna go try this one here. I just hate it when it happens. We're gonna go use this one to tighten them until they break. Wow, this thing's pretty solid. Oh my goodness, buddy. Seriously? Oh.
Ryan, are you tied up for a while or?
I do have one car after this. All right, let's go try this. There you go. There we go. This one is out. All right, so plug this in. Come on. Here we go. Make sure it will start. Cool. We are going to need this one in this model because we took out that portion there. Is that gonna be like that or this way? I think that way, right? Put this back. Put this back. There we go. Sweet. Then press those guys in on both sides. There we go. Okay. One more in the bottom. Yeah, remove this too. Want to make sure this thing start. And it's pretty secure. I also added the sticker right there. Cool. Thank you guys.